Good morning, children. Today, let's learn about birds. We've all seen birds. We know quite a lot about birds. We know that most birds can fly, they lay eggs, they live in nests. Let's read a little together, okay? Birds have wings and feathers. Most birds can fly. Most birds can fly. Not all birds, but most of them can fly. I see a picture of a sparrow, a kingfisher, and an eagle here. And then let's read a little bit about feathers. Birds have 3 kinds of feathers. The first kind are called down feathers. Now they're not up and down kind of things. Down means close to the body. They're kind of fluffy and they help to keep the bird warm. They also have body feathers along their bodies. And then the third kind, let's take a look, flight feathers. These feathers are long and shaped so that a bird can fly. The 3 kinds of feathers are down feathers, body feathers, and flight feathers. Now let's read about a special bird, the ostrich. Ostrich is a huge bird. It is too heavy to fly. It's so large, so big, so enormous, so huge that it's too heavy to fly. It cannot fly. Shall we take a look at a picture of an ostrich? Can you see it? Here it is. So big, bigger than you. A giant bird it looks like. Now, what helps a bird to fly? Let's read. A bird's shape helps it to move fast through the air. The shape of a bird is what we copied when we made airplanes. The shape helps the bird to fly. A bird, of course, a bird has wings. It uses them to fly. Let's read on about a bird. A bird has strong arm and chest muscles. So the muscles in its arms and its wings and its chest muscles are very strong. It can flap its wings with these. So to flap means to move up and down like this. And the bird can do this using the strong arm and chest muscles. A bird is very light. They are not very heavy. That helps them to fly. It has air in its body and very light bones. Now let's read about where birds live. Most birds build nests. Some nests are made high up in the trees. Look at this. A nest with eggs in it high up in the trees. Other nests are made on the ground or in buildings, and we have seen these in buildings like this. Birds can also build nests in buildings. The female bird lays her eggs in the nest. The mother bird lays her eggs in the nest. The nest hides the eggs from enemies. What are enemies? Those who are dangerous for the bird, like other birds that might eat the eggs, or cats that climb up the tree and eat the eggs. Those are the enemies of birds. And the nest hides the eggs. It also keeps the eggs warm. So the nest keeps them hidden and warm. Let's read on. When the baby birds hatch, they are blind. They can't see. To hatch means to come out of an egg. Did Priyanka hatch from an egg? No, Priyanka was born. But Yashaswini hatched from an egg, didn't she? They are also naked, completely without any cover, and have no feathers. Poor little baby birds. The parents look after the babies. They take care of them. They feed the babies and keep them warm. To feed means to give them food. The baby birds grow feathers. So first they are helpless and have nothing to keep them warm, but then slowly they begin to grow feathers. You can see that happening here. And then the baby birds soon learn how to fly. Once they learn how to fly, they leave their nest and go away. Now I'm going to send you a picture of these exercises and you can try to do them after you've watched the video. If you have any questions, please ask me.